Okay, come out of that storage room, bro. Be at the cereal. He's like, Shark, I can't see it. I can't see it. You can see it, bro. Of course you can. You just spill my coffee? Someone just moved my coffee. You guys, last night, the most intense video. I got pushed by Fat Ghost, or maybe a little gremlin ghost, they say. Yeah, you guys. Here, dude, you want cereal? There you go, Fat Ghost, if you're there. It's for you. I don't hear him. He erupted, you guys. He was not happy with me. But, you know, I can't let it. I see you.